Hi, so today's video is going to be super useful because I'm going to tell you everything in this one tool for your design career. This tool is super useful and beneficial. So first let me tell you what are the tasks you can perform and the discounts, offers, everything. Okay, quickly, so let's get started with this. So once you will create a free account using the link in the description, okay, or else you can comment me, I'll provide it. So you create a free account, okay, then you will be redirected to this dashboard. In this left hand side you have the community tab, then home, the projects, AI tools, asset library, API, pricing, tutorial, Discord, book a demo. Okay, so right now we are in home page actually. So here once you will click, you will get a banner. So they have Nano Banana Pro. Okay, so you can chat with the editor using this Nano Banana Pro advanced image model. Then you have the next one, which is multiple lip sync. You have Google Veo 3.1, right? So this is the video model now live on this platform. Next you have this one, Sora 2, again latest video model, Sora 2 Pro. Next, instant storyboard. You have instant way to get consistent characters, okay, and the storytelling. Then you have Flex, Not Text, and ChatGPT. Now next you can start from an image. This is the new project. Okay, you can import PSD file and you can view all the projects. Now popular tools are here. First, image to image, then chat editor, consistent character, lip sync, image to video. Okay, next we have this text to image, community style, instant storyboard, face swap, enhance. So if you click on this popular tools, view more tools, it will show all the tools. Okay, now tutorials, quick guide for the beginners, how to use consistent characters, how to use image to image, and how to use lip sync. Here are the styles. Okay, you can view all the styles over here. Then game design, sketch to art. Okay, then you have this 2D to 3D image, art preference, refine details, generate form, and image to 3D model. Okay, so one thing I want to tell you, they have this now. Actually Black Friday and Cyber Monday deal is going on, that I will tell you. Okay, so you be with me till the end so that you can avail there this one, Black Friday Cyber Monday deals. Okay, so at the end I will disclose, and even at any point of time you are watching this video, okay, that also you can take the advantage. Okay, so these are not actually limited to a time period. Okay, so you can avail the discount whatever they have. This is mainly in this period. Okay, but I will guide you how you can get offers actually. How you can get the offers anytime. Okay, at the end I'll tell you. So now we have popular photography section. This is enhance photo, then remove objects, local changes, insert objects, again AI profile picture. We have jewelry, render sketch, enhance details, idea to preview, AI background, style preference, edit details. Then interior design, in this concept overview, then style transformation, style reference, render draft, furniture placement, edit areas. Then we have product design, design inspiration, render sketch, style reference, AI background, edit details, and enhance clarity. Then POD, which is print on demand. Here idea to design, design variations, personalized design, remove background, add text, vector image. Then photo restoration, colorize photo. Okay, then you have repair photo, then sharp image, AI fill, expand photo. Style library, you have some general, then 3D render, realistic, v3, v2, then flex, point to pro, point to flex, nano banana pro, mid journey. So all these things we have. Now I want to show you these options over here, all tools. Okay, so here you can see the tools, all the tools available in this single design platform. Okay, this one is actually vector converter, image to 3D, product background. Okay, so rest of the things I told you, portrait enhance, face stylizations, all this. Okay, you have. Now here in this style options over here, yeah, style library, if you click on this, you can see you will have lots of actually styles. Okay, you can just go through. I am simply, sorry, not this one. Okay, so one by one you can just see they have lots of styles. Just you can select, like paper cutout or retro, radiance, tiny world, linear cartoon. Okay, then vibrant, impasto, enchanted elegance, soft pop, dots, collage. Okay, whatever you want, you can select that particular style. So unlimited styles you have. Okay, so this video is just overview in little detail, so that you will understand what you have. These are the all styles. If you want to select particular style, so that you can select, for example, illustration. So these are the styles in illustrations. Realistic, these are in realistic category. Okay, they have 3D. Okay, so in this way you can filter them out. So now they have very strong actually community support. You can see, just go through that. Now once you will start creating projects, you will have this tab actually enabled. Okay, activated. Now these are the AI tools that I have already shown you. Next, asset library. Okay, so these are the assets you can use. You can upload your own, like I uploaded already 2 assets, that is why it is showing. And if you mark any of them as favorite, so it will be added in your favorite list. Then they have API and pricing, tutorials, Discord server, and demo. If you want, you can book a demo. So now this is actually your canvas dashboard. So once you will start designing, for example, I want to change like this one, I want to enhance one photo. So once I click enhance photo card, it will be redirected to this dashboard over here. First you rename your project from here, then you select the aspect ratio 1:1, 3:1, 9:6, 4:3, 16:9, or custom. Okay, if it is custom, then you can add your custom width and height, then you click apply. Okay, you have if you want to make it fixed, you can click on this fixed, then you have this. This is done. Next, you can move a project. You can upload some images or some sort of elements. Text you can add, brush, then fit to content, and you have hand grips. Redo undo button, zoom, whatever scale you want, you can just select that. Okay, you can do like this. Then you have this one, credit, whatever you have, it will display over here. You can earn more credits. Okay, so this is the free account. So in this free category, you can use this tool, and once you are satisfied, you can upgrade. I highly suggest you upgrade within their Black Friday and Cyber Monday deals. So this is assets, what I have shown you. Okay, next you have T2I, that is text to image. Okay, here also you will have some options over here, that is from here you can choose style over here. Okay, then you have this plus icon over here. You can if you have a premium account, okay, then you can use that option over here, quick style and pro style. Next you add your prompt and prompt improver. If you want to improve the prompt, you can enable this option. Then aspect ratio, okay, like 3:4, 1:1, 4:3. You have face match. Okay, you should pick a face from here. Then color match, you can select the color. Okay, then you have the content filter, generation mode, fast, you keep it in fast mode. And then you have this advanced option. From here you can add a seed number. Okay, so then you have eye to eye, which is image to image. Okay, here also this is a style option over here, your prompt, then style intensity, structure match, color match, face match, generation mode. Okay, HQ for example, advanced, and then you click on generate. Okay, next you have instant storyboard. Actually from here onwards actually the features are available only in pro, okay, premium account. So now in this Black Friday Cyber Monday they are giving 50% off. Okay, which is you have to add thanks, capital thanks, and 2025 during checkout. Okay, so this is the code you have to add, THA in case thanks 2025 during checkout, so that you will get 50% off, okay, in their Black Friday Cyber Monday deal. So here they have total 3 packages. Okay, so once you will get any of the packages, you can just pause the screen and read what are the benefits you will get once you will have the account. Particular, you upgrade to a particular package, then you will get those benefits. Okay, so and also you can cancel anytime you want. They don't offer any refunds, but you can just, if any issues, you can ask obviously their help. And yes, and also the last question, actually, what if this period is over? Okay, the Black Friday Cyber Monday deal is over, so at that point of time you can contact their support, you can reach out to them, mostly via email. So what I'll do, I will add their email ID, support email ID, in the description box for you, and all the resources links, so that you can check them out if you want. Okay, so this much for today. If you have any questions, please ask me, and forgive me if the video is longer. Okay, so take care, bye bye.